Do you feel strong? Do you feel confident? How much can you trust yourself? Do you have the determination and the discipline to change your life? How much effort do you think you need to put in to see your dreams and goals become a reality? How long can you stay committed to yourself? I wasn't born fit. I built my body. Day after day, months and years of commitment, discipline and courage. People would tell me that I was too old for that I should rather do something else. People laughed at me for being too skinny. I wasn't born wise either. My mind was noisy and chaotic until I found a way to breathe through it and find myself, becoming part of nature as a whole, complete, unique, authentic. Only in my 40s was I able to see the bigger picture, to understand all those fragments and forge them together, through trial and error and plenty of mistakes that made me tougher, and the willingness to never quit, no matter what. I am Félix Fuenzalida, founder of StrongYogi, a path of self-mastery for those who seek it. Through clear purpose and perseverance, I've put together a method to help anyone find their true inner strength. First, we must master our body with calisthenics and yoga. Becoming stronger and mobile is the #1 priority. Second, we must master our mind and learn to be at peace within ourselves. Begin this journey of self-mastery today. Get your free training and stop making excuses. I've got your back. Start now and change forever.